Hey there, urban dwellers. Have you ever wondered how cities of the future will feed their growing populations? Today, I'm diving into an exciting solution that's taking root in urban centers across the globe: vertical farming. First off, let's talk about what vertical farming actually is. Imagine multi-story buildings, not packed with offices or apartments, but filled with rows upon rows of leafy greens, fruits, and vegetables. These indoor farms use stacked layers to grow crops, maximizing space and efficiency. Cool, right? Now, why is vertical farming so important for cities? With urban populations skyrocketing, traditional farming methods just can't keep up. We're running out of arable land, and transporting food from rural areas to cities adds to pollution and food waste. Vertical farming offers a sustainable alternative by bringing agriculture right into the heart of urban environments. Step 1. Efficient use of space. In cities where land is scarce and expensive, vertical farming allows us to grow more food in less space. Think about it, every square foot of a vertical farm can produce significantly more crops than traditional farming. Step 2. Controlled environment. Vertical farms operate indoors, meaning they can control temperature, humidity, and light. This creates the perfect conditions for crops to flourish year-round, regardless of weather or season. Plus, it reduces the risk of pests and diseases, cutting down on the need for pesticides. Step 3. Water efficiency. Traditional farming is notorious for its high water usage. Vertical farms, on the other hand, use advanced hydroponic and aeroponic systems that require up to 95% less water. This is a game changer for cities facing water shortages. Step 4. Reduced food miles. By growing food closer to where people live, vertical farming slashes the distance food has to travel. This means fresher produce, lower transportation costs, and a smaller carbon footprint. Finally, let's not forget the community impact. Vertical farms can be integrated into urban landscapes, from skyscrapers to abandoned warehouses. They can even become community hubs where people learn about sustainable practices and get involved in local food production. So, there you have it. Vertical farming is revolutionizing how we think about urban agriculture, offering a sustainable, efficient, and innovative way to feed our cities. It's not just a trend, it's the future of food. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the future of urban living. See you next time.